We want to start with the government shutdown. It is day 30 of the shutdown, and today the Senate held its final vote of the week with members leaving, meaning the government shutdown will continue until at least next week. Millions are now bracing for SNAP to run out of federal funding on Saturday.
That's right. There's a lot at stake, not just looming cuts to federal food assistance, but also the chance of skyrocketing health care premiums.
ABC 10 State Matters political reporter Jenny Huh is live in the studio with more on how California lawmakers are working to minimize the impact. Jenny.
The reality is, with Congress in that political gridlock, there aren't any straightforward solutions. There's a lot of urgent talk, but slow action.
Yet another consequence of politicians in Washington, D.C. not doing their jobs.
On Thursday, Northern California Congressman Kevin Kiley sponsored the Keep SNAP Funded Act of 2025, which, if passed, would ensure SNAP recipients would continue to receive benefits through the shutdown. This in response to the USDA, which oversees the federal food assistance program, saying it can't fund the program starting November 1st. That means the over 5 million Californians on CalFresh, the state's implementation of SNAP, won't get their monthly benefits either.
Try to at least mitigate the negative consequences for people through bills like the SNAP bill.
Kiley joins a handful of lawmakers on both sides of the aisle pushing bills that would pay the military, federal workers, and air traffic controllers. Nothing actually happens until lawmakers vote yes or no, but the House of Representatives has been in recess for 5 consecutive weeks.
We can't pass any legislation or do really anything as a body.
Democrats also weighed in Thursday in a call by the Democratic National Committee discussing the sticker shock of healthcare costs as enhanced premium tax credits for the Affordable Care Act are set to expire.
I know in California, people and other places in the country are getting letters as to how much this will cost.
Cover California says if the subsidies sunset, monthly payments will rise an average of 97% ahead of open enrollment beginning Saturday.
They will be forced to pay a lot more without a solution here.
Now, there was a hearing this morning on the lawsuit filed earlier this week by Governor Newsom and 25 other states against the Trump administration over SNAP benefits, but no ruling yet as of airtime. Laura, Chris.
Okay, Jenny, thank you.